Let's cook naturopathy malai kofta. Take 5-6 boiled potatoes and peel them like this. Mash the potatoes like this. Take 4-5 tomatoes and crush them in the mixie along with some ginger. Grate half tikki paneer and mix them well with mashed boiled potatoes kept beforehand. Grate some ginger according to taste in the mixture. Take half tablespoon ajwain, half tablespoon jeera, half tablespoon black pepper and add it to the mixture for taste. Now add some washed and water soaked kaju and kishmish to the mixture. Add 8 to 9 curry leaves to the mixture. It enhances the flavor of the dish. Carefully start making round balls of the mixture. Preheat air fryer for 1 minute. Take some desi ghee in your hands and apply to the balls before keeping them in the air fryer. Now start the air fryer and set the timer on 15 minutes. Similarly, make the balls of the remaining mixture. Check the balls after 10 minutes and then again set it for 5, total 15 minutes. Add some desi ghee in the karai, then add half tablespoon jeera and half tablespoon ajwain. Now add tomato and ginger paste made before. Add 2 chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon turmeric and 1/4 tablespoon black pepper when the mixture turns reddish. Add little water for blending the mixture. So the koftas are ready. This is the golden color. After 5-10 minutes and add half packet milk. Add 1 small packet of Amul cream to the curry. Now add rest of the grated half tikki paneer to the curry. Add some washed and soaked kaju and kishmish to the curry. After cooking for a few minutes, gravy is almost ready now. Take the koftas from the air fryer and put them in the hot case like this. Do not handheld it. Add the rest of the balls to heat in the air fryer for 15 minutes. Now your curry is ready. Now pour the curry over the koftas. Bon appetit! Very great, yummy food.